Come on, let's go.
I'm so fucking confused.
Alright, come on, let's go. Come on.
About them. Where are we going? Oh no! What the fuck? I'll do it.
You walk up a hill and ride down.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, fucking dumbass cab. I've gone good though. On this, move. Angel, move! Yeah. Fucking suck. Under GT.
Of course it's fucking hard turning.
You're going to be stuck there. You've learned before me. This is a fuck. That is still a BMX bike. Okay, Michael Torres. What the war about fire? Jake. Sheesh! So much problems already. A lot of fat wheel bikes up here. So much fat bikes up here, especially mine. I'll win. Sheesh! I won fucking twice. Angel, I fucking beat him, and I can probably beat you.
You're joking. It's a group joke. You wouldn't know. You're not in our group chat.
I fought him.
I don't like your
The first one was just fucking random. The second one was planned. Kind of. We're actually going... Take our fucking time. Just take our time right here. Sheesh! Angel! Oh my fucking god, get in the back. Break the... I dare you to. Angel, I dare you to. Hey, go. Oh. I'm fine. I'll get sued. You can sue me. I'll sue you. Hit me, you're getting sued for $2 grand. Oh shit, my bad. If he hit me, he get sued for $2 grand. For this bike. Actually, probably 5. What the fuck did I do? Me or her? We're actually going up there? Ah, fuck. I will, it's fun. The fuck? Yeah, no swerving cars. Brian, Gabe said, and he's swerving cars. Yeah, garbage. Garbage. Ooh. Or wheelie. Ah. Well, mine's heavier, so I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Papa wheelie. On the mountain bike.
Y'all have fun with that shit, bro. No, I'm not going up. I'm good. I ain't going up.
I'll walk it. I'll walk it. I've been up here before. I know, I'm fat.
Freaking white cars. Don't have fun going up that shit.
Yeah, Angel, this is what I rode once.
Oh hell no, I'm walking.
There's still more. I
Fuck, my chain fell off. Goddamn.
Oh shit. Write it down, write it down.
It's like one more
What if
left.
we invited KJ?
Huh?
You wanna came?
No, he wouldn't.
Yeah, what?
He lives in Fairfield.
Okay, man.
He wouldn't go.
He doesn't ride to his places. He makes his mom drop him off.
Nah, I know, dumb shit.
That's why he only usually rides to school and possibly by the school.
Yeah.
Why is this so fucking hot?
There's still like one more hill at this.
I live up here, drop down. Oh shit, you better make sure they don't got free candy in there. I need some candy. Watch out, free candy.
It is fucking, bro, it just got so hot.
It's hella.
Oh, look who climbed up now. Nico fucking won't. He's Gabe's family. Whose idea is this?
It's good.
Retard alert, retard alert.
Nah, it's too steep.
Fucker. What?
Just the SE games?
Yeah.
I was trying to get some, but I couldn't find them.
Right out
Where'd you get
supply.
them from?
I got. I made
No,
these
not
ones.
those, your Vans.
What?
Your Vans. Where'd you get those at?
The fucking van shop, dumb fuck.
Oh.
You're fucking stupid.
Online person.
Yeah, there's a website.
Yeah, no, I couldn't find the website. I looked through their Instagram and everything.
It's called Vans.
Yeah, I know.
You're fucking stupid.
But I looked up SE bike Vans. And that's
They're not out yet.
How'd you get some?
These aren't SEs.
I said, did you SE Vans?
Yeah, I thought you said bands. Just move, fucker. No, they're still over there. Kind of. Don't be a bitch. You're in shorts. I'm in sweats. Calm down.
Yo, watch out.
Oh, there they are. They aren't going. Yep. There's like, it's close. Send it. Bro, don't be a bitch. It's like right up here. You're in shorts. I'm in sweats. Stop complaining. Hey guys, this is Jordan on the telly with bike ride for my friend Gabe. We're going up Wyckoff. Sorry for the late intro. I just didn't want to talk.
Basketball kids, all past 2 Leno Road. Like that one fucking thing, like that one picture.
Yeah.
I'm going down though, bro. I'm going down. I like everything sticking my ass.
What the fuck?
Let me ride your bike then.
No, fucker. My bike's way better.
Oh, you ride my bike?
Shut the fuck up. You did. Are we going more up more? All right, I'll see you guys up there. We going yet? Yeah, there. I'm going. It's the last hill. Imagine walking. Couldn't be. I started from. Oh! Fuck you! Where's your big flyer at?
Not here. Boom. Motherfucking yeah. Alright, bro, who's going first? I'm not.
No,
Come down.
let's all go.
Isaiah, go down this way.
No, this way. No, this way.
This way's way steeper. Hey, after this, go back to the morning store. I gotta pick up money.
This way's way better, dude.
I'm in this side.
This side's so much better.
Yeah, but then we gotta climb back up and go.
No.
It pops you right back out.
Yeah. And it's a lot better.
It's just steeper as fuck.
It's not steeper.
It looks from here.
That's just boring. It's so winding. You don't even go fast. Let's go.
I'm going through here. Come on! Stay on the brakes though. Bro, this sweat feels so good. Pop a wheelie! Ah! That's the best fucking part. That's the best part. That's the best. Yeah, that just. Bro, this is.
Oh, you know where it goes down and there's little orange things? I hit one of them and it got air on it.
Don't skirt your wheel.
No, I'm getting thick slips soon. They're supposed to come in soon.
That's the same thing, dumb fuck.
I know, but
Well, what size?
26.
Okay. Get hookworms.
You should get.
Hookworms are those.
I only had enough to get freaking thick slips.
How much are they?
150.
Hookworms are cheaper. They're like.
I only bought these for like 60. What the fuck are they doing? Fucking jacking off.
No, not you guys.
Well, I haven't really. Yeah, we did them to get in because I pre-ordered them, but I can cancel it and get Vans. Get the orange ones.
No, just get all black. Don't be fucking stupid.
I was trying to cool down.
Thinking about just picking up the
Up there, bro.
They went the
Dude, I waste so much fucking air. Hey, they think you guys are over there, by the way. They think Evan and them are over there. Yeah. They're like, bro, Evan and them are on the backside. So I think they're going down that way.
yeah, they are.
You going up?
It's fun though.
I get really better on a downhill. Oh, my bad.
Really? This wide bike fucking sucks.
Hey, that's what you got feet for.
I'm joking. Calm down. It does suck though.
Your feet might get a little hot, but it's good.
Dude, next thing you know, it's gonna smell like burnt rubber.
No, it won't.
Just went down and put my shoe down.
Hey, there they are.
Yeah, they went down the backside like a retard. Why'd they go? Why'd y'all go down the other way?
I'm sunburned again. I'm sunburned again. I'm burnt.
How'd you get sunburned?
Again. Yeah.
Why'd y'all go down that way?
Hey, is that thing burning?
Yes. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is. It's fine.
That's pissed at you right now.
Who?
You? Because I was on the phone with you in the car and you're like, I'm dumbass.
Because you. I said Wilsey Wood. It's a high school. It's that easy.
Wait, were they gonna meet there?
No, he was. Yeah. Then everyone left.
Where did Isaiah go? Where did Jesse go? They're fucking catching a lizard?
Why not? It's your new pet. Deal with it. Shoo!
selling one of those for 800 on
We got
Upload.
collective
Funny.
joining us.
You're funny. That's. Do you mean 1,800?
Maybe it's,
Yeah, it is. Where the fuck is that at? Yeah, no, I'm good.
I'm going to the corner store. No, I'll just run I gotta pick up money.
We're going to the
Money?
corner store, then we'll go
Oh, doing drugs here? We're not going to the corner store.
Yeah,
Oh!
you get money.
Browns Valley?
Why do you have fucking grips right here? Because, bro, I'll be going like this. No, you not. You have not your fucking ass.
We don't gotta go hella quick though, bro. I ain't gonna count. They coming from, hey, Gabe, they coming from
Flee the scene! Flee the scene! Ah! Okay, now let's disrupt some Karens. When Gabe says don't swerve cars. When Gabe says don't swerve cars, swerve cars.
He was stopping. I can go like this.